All right. I'm reading 15 shooters on the roof and a helicopter inbound.
Copy, we're in position.
Shipment's late.
Some screw up in Bloodhaven.
Take $100 off.
We need to move.
Be patient. You still have Curtis's insurance policy with you?
Yeah. I'm still gonna get to use my guns, right?
Chopper's about to land, guys.
Move.
Kill them all!
Not so fast, dirtbag.
Yes!
They got air support.
All right, I'll take care of it, but Wild Dog?
I got a 6.
Guess I should be flattered to think you've held out a candle for me after all these years. What are you waiting for?
Dinah! Don't do it. You're better than this.
You know I'm not. If we're as alike as you said, we both know you'd kill him.
You're right. Maybe it's too late for me. Maybe I don't get a second chance. You don't have to go down that road. Dinah, what would Vince want you to do?
He'd want me to do that.
Hey. Let her go.